Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make a working Photon in PlayFab for your technique. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously be logged into PlayFab, and also you're going to be logged into Photon for it to work. Now, you're going to want to click new screen, so I'm just going to make one right here. So, if you already have one for this, you're going to click new title right here, new title, and then you're going to name it. I'm just going to do tutorial. And then you can do a game logo or other stuff if you guys want to, but I'm not really gonna do that, so I'm just gonna click the title. Alright, now that you have your title or your PlayFab all set up, well, your studio, you're gonna click on it and you're gonna go down to economy, and then you're gonna click this currency legacy right here, and you're gonna click new currency. Now you're gonna do all caps SR, all caps shine rock like this, and then you're gonna do how much you want to them to start with. I'm gonna do 4,500. Then the recharge rate units per day means how much they're gonna get every day. So I'm gonna do 100 like the website. And then recharge maximum you want to do 9 to the 9 power of 9, so 999s. And then you're gonna do save currency. And then what you're gonna do is upload JSON, choose file. This will be in the Discord. So yeah, you're gonna want to choose. Let's do everyday update. All right, and then that you're gonna want to go over to Photon right here. You're gonna want to click create new app right at the top, and then you're gonna want to click whatever you want. So I'm just gonna do tutorial, and then you're gonna click create. And then you're gonna do another one, but this time you're gonna do one that's for voice. So click on the time in voice. I'm gonna do a tutorial, and then you're gonna click create. Alright, now what you're going to do is go to your PlayFab right here, and then you're gonna go to add-ons, scroll down, and you're gonna click Photon, click this hyperlink right here, and then you're gonna want to go ahead and you're gonna want to copy this right here. Right click or Control C to copy it. Go to a new browser, right click or Control V to paste it, and then you're gonna see the brackets, PlayFab ID. You're gonna delete that, and then you're gonna want to go to your Photon again, copy your Photon ID, which is at the top, paste it, and then you're gonna delete the top, or you can keep it open so copy. And then what you're gonna do is when you're now in your Photon, go down to whatever you're doing. So do the tutorial, and you're gonna click manage, custom server. And then you're gonna remove this that's right here, https two dots slash slash. You're gonna delete that and paste it with your actual one that you just did. And then you're gonna click save. And make sure you also do this with your voice as well, guys. So manage on your voice, custom server, and then you're gonna paste it right here. Click save. And then you're gonna click dashboard again. Now that you've done that, you're going to want to copy the app ID right here, and then you're going to go to your Photon, and then you're going to paste it there, and do the same thing with your voice as well, and you're going to click selfie. And now that's basically how you make a working Photon and PlayFab your game. I'm going to be passing on to my other friend that will be teaching you guys on how to make it work inside of your DualSense copy.
What's up everyone, welcome back to the video, and Playman here. Let's just say that we switch POVs, and that's the one recording, and I'm going to teach you how to put your game on the Unity so it can actually start working and doing stuff. Now we'll just put like only one script. It'll just edit like one script, and you can finally start doing your stuff. So now make sure that your real time and title and PlayFab all here, and yeah, so you can do it now. Now press on add project from disk. Oh wait, first. Go to files, go to downloads, right click on this, extract. Just extract it. Take some time. Now I'm doing back to school. You can do this on any project you want. Doesn't really matter. As long as it has some of your stuff that are needed, and yeah, we'll just wait for that to be done. Hold up, I'll stop recording for you guys. Alright, back, and as you can see, guys, the project is done right here, and yeah, I'm gonna go back to it. Oh, that's okay. Okay, don't ignore that. If this is in your folder, ignore that. That's probably gifted or testing stuff. So go back to your Unity, add project from disk, downloads this. Now, whatever whatever version says for you, just pick it. It doesn't matter. But for myself, I'll pick that one, which will probably break it. And yeah, just press on open. That. Are you sure? Yep. Change. Continue. Hopefully, it didn't break the project. That'll be mad sad. Okay. Now this might take a long time because like this is your first time opening this project, and that's why. And depending on your PC or Wi-Fi, if you got a really fast Wi-Fi, then this should finish faster, or if you got a really fast PC, then this should finish pretty much fast. So for me, I don't really got a good PC. I got like a 99 and a 3060, which might take for this kind of thing some time. So meanwhile, I will go stop recording or cut this video. So yeah. So now that your project has opened, we're going to see around the map before doing anything else. Now here is forest. Here's that. Gonna make sure all the projects is all good, and here's all the stuff. Here's the branches. Here's this. Here's the tree house, and here is city. Here's the back to school. I actually remember this. Anyways, here's the mirror right here. Here is also the mirror, and there is now more cosmetics to add. And here is this. Here's that. Here's the bundle. You can set this up if you know. Here's all this. Here's these cosmetics. Here's these cosmetics too. Here's these two. And there is actually more. Here's outside the map. Anyways, this also you can check all the maps. That's all I'm gonna show. Wait, hold up. Also, clouds, my favorite map. Okay, clouds takes so long to go up. Anyways, this is all I'm going to show. So, just going to go to actually not start. So what you want to do is you want to go to the search up bar and search up PlayFab Authenticator, and press on this. And right click on script, edit. I also recommend you use the right version for this. I used the wrong version, sadly, so hopefully this works. Anyways, you want to go down until you see these three big stuff. So here's the fixed Regan, here's the app ID, voice, and here's your real time. So now you don't want to share any of these. See all these? You don't want to share them. So now what you want to do is you want to go to your PlayFab, copy it just like that. This to your PlayFab, and then you want to also replace your Photon, your voice. Of course, you gotta change the voice. So yeah, this one right here. I'll delete that. I'll set this to right here, just like that. You want to do it for real time too. So real time right here. Of course, I'm being careful so I don't mess this up. Okay, there. Now press on Control S, or press on the save up there. So this button right here. So just press on it. And close out of this, and congratulations. Now you have this copy all to yourself, and it is now all yours. Now, if you now play test it, since there's no revision and stuff, hold up. What is this? What does this say? Scene manager. Oh no. Yeah. So mine does not work because I used the wrong version. Sorry for that. But yeah, this version does work. It does work. You can change the MOTD. Finish. Okay, you can just change the MOTD. Text, you can set this to whatever you want. Just set this to whatever you want. You want to change the code of conduct. COC text. You can change this to whatever you want. Rule number 1, like and subscribe. Which you guys all should do. Now, thank you very much for watching today's video. Now I will leave this copy. Goodbye, see ya.